So yeah, this is the entrance for the Emirates Palace. So this is the most amazing part of the hotel, the main lobby area. Really amazing.
On our guided tour currently. It's beautiful to explore this way. So this is the zone where we can do kayaking.
It's the ball ground as well. Okay.
This is a chargeable kids club. So it's a beautiful stay. We're staying in the first floor. There are fountains all around. You need an access card to enter this area. And now we're going to enter our room in the Emirates Palace. So this is our day one. And it's a beautiful room, big space. They have their own private coffee machine. And the bar area with water bottles intact. You also get the cutleries, which is available.
You can nice Nespresso shots that you can make. So pretty good. We've been having that for the last 3
And
days.
it's a private fridge also. And it's a little surprise for us. Apart from that, the bed is currently messy. This is an area. You have a mirror. There's a television. And this is the lobby. So this is the balcony. It's huge. And
Get the tour started.
And you can also get a guided tour here, which we are going to do next.
And we'll also be going to the poolside, beach side. This property has a beach access, private beach access, and it has 2 pools, not just one. So we'll try to cover both the pools for you guys, but if not, definitely one pool we'll definitely be showing you with me swimming, maybe. It's too hot though, so
It's a beautiful architecture here. Everything is made of stone, which you can see. It was a palace of Emiratis earlier, but it has been transformed into the hotel.
King's Palace before, but now this is, I think, a 50-acre or 500-acre property, and now the king stays in a 2,000-acre property, which is right beside it, and he has graciously given this palace up for hotels for us tourists to come and stay.
So you get a private cabinet here with a safe where you can place your valuables.
And you can give a tour of the washroom as well. It's a beautiful bathtub.
This is a place where you can hang your clothes, put your luggage. You got a yoga mat also here in case if you're a yoga enthusiast. So now we are going to travel into the washroom area, which is again very pretty. This is a shower area. It has got a beautiful tub and a luxurious basin area with bathrooms around. It's a huge palace and you need access to every point. Also, this has a private beach area, which I'm going to show you right now. You can see the white sand here. So you can watch out the beautiful interiors that it has.
Now you can see here what all it has the map. There's an Emirates Center, or we can go for the Island Center as well. We are at Talea restaurant, and we are gonna be checking out and trying out. This is the whole menu, but we've gone for the pizza, and we are going for the tartufo pizza. So it has the black truffle. Wherever Bhavna sees truffle, we ordered truffle. So we are having that, and we are still exploring other stuff. This is the place. It's a Michelin-star restaurant in Emirates Palace.
Sir?
Thank you so much. See, Bhavna's gonna taste it. I've already done. Right?
Flavor burst.
Very tasty.
Chalo.
Yalla habibi.